Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rachna Singh Parmar, psychologist, manifestation coach, and Vedic healer. First of all, I will like to thank Manisha ma'am for this wonderful sessions. See, learning from an expert is an additional benefit that you get her years of experience with you in just one learning. So I'm very happy the way ma'am has taught us all these subjects and given her 100% so that we can take her experience with us. Now coming to NLP, I have done this training from two point of view. One is from individual point of view, and being a coach from treating our clients, that point of view. When it comes to individual point of view, I would say wherever we go, at some or the other stage, we need to realign. We need to reboot ourselves because there are so many things happening around. So NLP is one effective way of reprogramming yourself quickly and easily. Then coming to therapeutic point of view or as a coach, when we suggest using NLP, what wonderful thing Manisha ma'am has taught us that we have to start from the very basic, and that is writing the goal and outcomes which we want, and that too also very specifically. बिकॉज आपको जहाँ जाना है, अगर ये आपका तय है और कितना जाना है आपको ये तय है, तो वहां तक पहुंचने के फिर आप सही रास्ते भी सिलेक्ट कर ही लेते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव. सो दैट पार्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रादर देन डायरेक्टली गोइंग टू टेक्निक्स. सो आपका अगर कहाँ पहुंचना है ये फिक्स है, क्लैरिटी है, यू विल रीच इजीली. देन कम्स टू द सेकेंड पार्ट is we have lot many blockages like our own self belief about certain things. We have certain phobias, certain places we ourselves have not behaved emotionally mature, or we need to develop ourselves to be more receptive to the public. So all these things were also covered during this course. So it's an additional benefit, making us emotionally intelligent to deal at all levels, can be individual as well as professional, for relationships or anything basically. Then coming to techniques, एक बोला thankful कि the way ma'am has taught all these techniques, हमें लग रहा है कि it's just doing a simple thing, but I can understand as a coach also, she has given us all her thing, what she had, what all experience she had throughout. So she has made all these techniques so easy for us. So whenever I go out of this workshop, I'm sure to use them and very quickly, and it's 100% going to benefit us. So thank you once again ma'am for such a wonderful